update to the latest SVN, and the link is going to be in my comment to this page. We're going to want to copy where it says http://darkrp.googlecode.com/svn/trunk. We're going to go to, or we're going to select it, and we're going to copy, and then we're going to paste it where it says URL of respiratory. Now, and then we're going to press OK. Now what it's going to do is it's going to start downloading all the latest files for darkrp. And depending on how fast your connection is, it's going to take a minute. There usually aren't that many files, but you never know. So it's going to, and these are all the latest files from the developer himself. The developer of darkrp is actually not FPTJE, but somebody else. I'm not sure. He's just one of the people that work on it. Okay, so it is completed at revision 256. We're going to press OK. And there you go. There's the latest version of darkrp. Now, when you go into it, you're going to see all these little check marks over here. And that is fine. Now, what we need to do, now that we have the game mode, we're going to need something called a server config file. And as you probably can see right here, we have a config folder right here. Now in the download, the files needed for Gmod server download, I included a server.cfg file, which you can just drag and drop into your local disk, local disk C for you. For me, it's D. Drag and drop it into srcds orangebox garrysmod cfg right here. Here's the folder tree. Once you have that in there, you're going to want to double click on it, and it's probably going to come up with Windows cannot open this file, server.cfg. You're going to select a program from the list of installed programs, and then you're going to press OK. And then you're going to double click on Notepad. Now this is your server.cfg file. You can put in it anything you want, like the map. This is the RP_downtown v2, which is known well to all of you darkrpers. You can make it so that show job is created. Tool gun, I usually set that to 0, and then for my own personal reasons, I usually set earthquakes to 0, but you can do whatever you want to this, and that's what the CFG file is. Now, right here where it says host name, you're going to want to type your server name, well, like what it's going to be named. Mine is always Skulls, I'll put a comma there, Awesome RP server. It's currently down right now because we're transferring it to a dedicated server in Texas somewhere, and so it should be up and running soon if anybody wants to come and visit. And here's your Archon password. Make it something that you'll remember well, like Kitty 13 or 1345 or something. Something you remember well, and something that you won't be known to other players on your server. So I'm going to set mine as Cat Lover 98. Now I'm not actually Cat Lover, but you know, nobody's gonna guess it. And make sure to use like lowercase, uppercase, you know, that kind of thing, to keep them guessing. So once you have that edited, you're gonna save it, and that's gonna come up with this on mine because I'm editing it off a different hard drive. But on yours, it should just save it. And there you go. Now you can double click on your Gmod server shortcut, and it'll start it up. It should start it up as a dark RP server. Let's double click on this and see how it goes. It is taking a second to open, but it's opening. Don't you worry about that. Now, come on. I'm just gonna edit this part out. Okay, so for some reason it isn't working. We are going to find out why. srcds. That's why. Okay. We're going to go back, because I am on my C drive. That's why it isn't working. Let's see if it's in Task Manager. It's probably not good to run it on Vista. Should probably be running XP, but I'm just gonna edit this out. Screw it.